Hello, it's Dr. Rhonda Johnson, and today is Saturday, February 26, 2022. Today I'm discussing those new CDC Mask Guidelines. Well, according to the CDC now, the United States has high levels of population immunity. Some people call this herd immunity because of high rates of vaccination and high rates of infection. So people who have been fully vaccinated and those who have natural immunity from prior infection, the CDC says your risk of getting medically significant COVID disease, having to be hospitalized, and dying from COVID is significantly reduced. So the CDC redefined community metrics, measuring levels of COVID-19 in communities, which is no longer just determined by cases. It's determined by a combination of new hospitalizations, new COVID-19 cases, and current hospital capacity. So what did not change, folks? Well, it's still mandatory to wear face masks on public transportation. Also, the CDC recognizes that certain people remain at increased risk from serious disease from COVID. Those are people who are older, people who are immunocompromised, and people with disabilities. So what is different? The CDC says people can choose to mask anytime. People with symptoms, a positive test, or exposure to someone with COVID should wear a mask. Now, there are 3 levels of COVID-19 community levels: low, medium, and high. And you're supposed to determine your prevention strategies as an individual based on what's going on in your local community. Now, no matter what the level of COVID-19 is in your community, the CDC advises everybody to get vaccinated, boosted, and tested if sick. So if your COVID-19 community level is low, wearing a mask is your personal choice and based upon your level of risk. If your COVID-19 community level is medium, the CDC says talk to your doctor about whether you should wear a mask based upon your risk. Now, if your COVID-19 community level is high, the CDC says you should wear a face mask in public indoor settings. So how will you know, folks, if your community level is high, medium, or low? Well, you have to go to the CDC website, search under COVID-19 county check, and you can get an answer as to your county's community COVID-19 level. So as for me, folks, I'm just going to keep wearing my mask and, see what happens. It's worked so far. That's my message today. As always, my views are my own. Take care.